Good morning everyone. Welcome here in Bulacan. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng property as low as 7,000 monthly with complete amenities, hindi binabaha at malapit lamang sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, perfect itong Grand Sycamore Heights located in Barangay Bulak, Santa Maria, Bulacan. By the way, I'm Miss Madel from Ghoston Realty. Here is the Vicky unit. Semi-complete upon turnover, painted ang walls, may isang room, may malaking bintana, perfect source of light and ventilations, kitchen area, and of course ang toilet and bath complete features upon turnover, may shower na rin. This is the Vicky 1. At kung naghahanap ka naman ng may parking space na unit, perfect itong Vicky 2 para sa inyo. Semi-complete din yan upon turnover. High ceiling lamang. So, mas mataas siya ng 1.5 meters kaysa kay Vicky 1. Ongoing 100,000 discounts promo and as low as 7,000 monthly. All you have to do is just reserve for only 5,000 pesos. Installment and down payment kaya hindi ka makakash out ang napakalaki. This is sample renovations, applicable designs for your unit. Always look for Miss Madel. Here's my number. I will always be happy to assist you.